This bread is overbaked. He fell to eating first. He had his fill. I like sweet dishes. Please beat these eggs. I also like fried fish. We should chew our food well. Potatoes contains vitamins. I have no appetite. You should take simple diet. Are you vegetarian? Mincemeat is not yet ready. I cannot stand chilies. These loaves are underbaked. Meat is overcooked. He invited me to tea. I am not hungry. I always take light diet. He doesn't chew food. I like half-boiled egg. We always like buttered bread. Meat is my favorite dish. Please take tea. I always take simple diet. Rice and curry is my favorite food. The dish is strongly spiced. Peel these oranges, please. Food is being served. These grapes are sour. I am feeling hungry. Soup is very delicious. Ali doesn't like buttered bread. I don't like dainty dishes. I do not like curd. Food should be masticated well. Put sugar in the cup. Pulses are not easily digested. I like roasted chicken. It is time for dinner. He cannot digest beef.